Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the headphones from your account and making sure they have enough power. First, on your iPhone or iPad, forget the AirPods Max in Bluetooth settings so pairing info clears. Then plug the lightning cable in or confirm battery level is sufficient. This prevents interruptions. Once done, place the headphones close to the device and keep Bluetooth on. You're now ready for the actual reset steps. Don't skip forgetting the device, or the reset may not fully clear pairing data. You press and hold the digital crown and noise control buttons simultaneously. Do this firmly and hold for roughly 15 seconds. Keep watching the small status light at the bottom of the right ear cup. It will flash amber during the process, and then flash white to show the internal settings were cleared. Make sure you do not release early. If you let go before the white flash, the reset won't finish. After the white light, the headphones are in pairing mode, and their factory state is restored. You now reconnect. Open your device's Bluetooth and choose AirPods Max when the white light appears. Follow on-screen prompts and test audio, noise control, and the digital crown immediately to confirm normal operation. If pairing fails, try the reset sequence again, making sure you hold until the white flash. Sometimes repeating fixes it. If the buttons don't respond or the light never changes, fully drain the battery, charge briefly, and retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics or service options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.